Homers, back again with me Putra on Homemade Studio. Now we're gonna learn how to make water inside of a glass. So, with not taking longer of your time, let's go to the tutorial. Alright, okay guys, now we on a blender, and for this tutorial we're not gonna do modeling thing. We're gonna use some asset that already exists on the internet. On this example, it was on Blender Kit add-on.
Said open source ain't real animation, but we took that Oscar, made it history's pages. Flip the script, turn nothing to gold. From the basement, the legends, the story been told. They never believed, they turned us away. But now we rise, now we stay. From the dust, from the pain. Your mind is the only limit, break the chains. Ain't about the fame, ain't about the prize. It's about the dream, what you visualize. We ain't Hollywood, but we run the frame. No gatekeepers, remember the name. Let's go! Full power, deep rap and opera blend together. The climax, the climax. They never believed, they turned us away. Now we rise, now we stay. From the dust, from the pain. Your mind is the only limit, break the chains. Homemade studio, from the shadows to the stars.
Put it on the center of the bottle, and after that we gonna click the bottle, go to the wire view, just go to the edit mode, we just click tab, and we now need to selection the mesh of the bottle, so we need to go to the extreme mode. And when we on the extreme mode, we select the half of the bottle, just like that, and we need to choose this selection mode, and we make sure everything is just selected. And after that, we need to double the mesh, which is click Shift and D, just like that, and right click to cancel the movement. And after that, we need to click P on the keyboard, just click selection, just like that. And after that, we need to go to the object mode, which is click tab again, and now we have a two object on the same place, and I think we need to scale this object to make it smaller than the bottle. This object, basically it was the water that we're gonna use inside the bottle, just like that, and we now gonna be like modeling the water, so we need to focus on it. So you need to click the slash button on the keyboard to make the object, the only object that we can see is the water. And we need to go to the edit mode again, we just click tab, and don't forget to choose the selection mode, line selection mode, and select the line of the mesh, and click Shift and Alt, and just select every line that we need. And after that, you need to click Ctrl and F to fill it, and just choose grip fill. And after that, you need to back again to the object mode, just click tab and add some plane, Shift A, and go to the mesh and add plane, just like that. And now we need to choose the modifier menu and add some modifier. We search on this modifier and write ocean. that. And now we have an ocean on our project. And after that, we need to scale it down to the size, and I think that's enough. And we need to add more resolution to make it more detailed. I think it's too much. 11 is good, I think. And we just need to scale this manually and drag it on the z-axis, G and Z, put it on the top of our water, just like that. And we now open the timeline mode, and we need to animate the time of our ocean modifier. Just click I on this area on the time, and make sure your cursor is on top of it, and just click I to make a keyframe and go to the end of keyframe and make it, I think it's 10 is good, and just do the same thing, click I, just like that. And we see the problem on this the problem is on this keyframe we have some slow beginning and ending. To make it more linear, you need to do this thing and just right click and choose interpolation mode as linear, just like that. And you have the same speed on the beginning and the ending, just like that. And after that, you need to click the water inside and just add some modifier. Go to the deform and choose slip wrap modifier. And after that, you need to choose the target. The object was the ocean, just like that. And you need to open the warp method as project, and the snap mode is outside surface. Now we need to choose the axis. We need to choose the z-axis, and now we have our water, but it on the wrong direction, so we need to uncheck the positive and choose the negative, just like that. And after that, we need to make sure the ocean was not visible on our render, so we need to click the ocean and just click edge, and make sure the render mode was unchecked too, just like that. And now we can see our water is moving, just like that. Now I think we can add some auto smooth, and after that you need to add some generate and subdivision surface. It's good, you see. So I think you need to put it on the bottom. Yeah, just like that. And we can click this slash again to bring all on bottom back again, just like that. And we now can see our project is working. Tada! We have a bottle and we have a water inside it. And for make it clear, we need to add some environment. We add some, in this case is plane. Go to the y-axis and just scale it up, just like that. And I think we need to add some texture to our water. You can add whatever you want, whatever texture that you want, but for me, to make it short, I think we need to add some water texture on this head-on. I think we need to choose the right texture of it. Just write it water. And after we see all this texture, we just need to add the texture on it. I think this one is good. We see. Yeah, it's good. And after that, we need to add some lighting on our project. Just shift A and choose area. I think it's good. And just click R to rotate it at x-axis and just click 90 degrees at the minus degrees, and just go to the axis and just grab it with G and put it at the right angle that you want, just like that. I think we need to do the 3-point lighting. We add some another lighting. Just shift D again and again. No, rotate and make it point the object. And anyway guys, it was Eid Mubarak on my country, so if you are Muslim, happy Eid Mubarak everyone. Now we have a really good lighting, 3-point lighting, and I think we need to add some another light on the top of this object. I think we need to click Shift A and choose the lighting again and area again. We make sure it's on the top of our object, just like that. I think I need to make it harder, I think. And you see, now we have a 3-point lighting and one on the top, and I think it's good, but we have an issue on the water. Lighting is too sharp, and I think we need to select this light and go to this object setting, and on the setting we open light linking and we add some new light linking, and I think we need to choose the glass outside and put this object into our light linking, just like that. It's good. And now we have a really good light. So I think we have a really good setup, but we have some not natural light projection. I think we need to add some ray tracing, so we need to go to this button, the render button, and just check the ray tracing, just like that. For me it's good, but I think the water needs to more contrast, so I need to go to the shading, and I think we need to add some blue color to make it more visible, just like that. Yeah, I think it's good. And after that we need to go to the layout. Now we on a layout, and after that I think we need to add some 2 empty first. We add some empty plane axis and just drag on the Z axis on top or object, just like that. And another one, it was the cube, another cube empty, and just scale it up. Make sure this have a big size from all the object, and now we can select every object that we want. First select the water model, the second empty, the first empty, at the last we need to choose the last empty. Make sure it was an orange look, and just click Ctrl and P to choose object, just like that. And after that we need, I'm sorry, I forgot to choose this ocean. Click this ocean and select all of the object. Now with the empty too, make sure the last empty is orange. Just click Ctrl and P and just click object again, just like that. Now we can remove all the object at the same time. And after that, now we can choose our ocean and just go to the constraint menu and add some dump track. and click the target is the second empty, just like that, and make sure the thread axis is z-axis. Now we can hide again our ocean and just click edge, and now that is decreased. Okay, and I think we need to add some camera and go at the position that we want. I think it's good. And go to the view and go to this light view, and just go choose the light active camera to view, just like that. We have a really easy setup for our camera. I think you need to select the water inside and select the bottle and this empty and the first empty too, and just do Control P again to this area, only this area. Now we have a full setup of our project. Now you can just choose the first empty to rotate our bottle, only our bottle, and now you can just custom or everything. We just click the last empty to move all of the object, including the ocean. Yeah, I think that's all. That's it. That is the all information that you can get on me. And now it's up to you to do whatever you want. Do creative, guys. Just do creative. You can custom our project, this our project, and yeah, that's all. That's it. Don't forget to click like and comment. Ask me anything. Do whatever you want on the comment section, and don't forget to click like. And goodbye to the other tutorial. And don't forget, guys, your mind is the only limit. Goodbye.